Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. One of our customers is having a problem with too much oil going to her hook assembly. She's getting oil on the needle, oil on the hook, and oil in this part of her oil pan. So you're going to get a little bit of oil splash. It's normal, but a lot of oil splash could mean a few different problems. But to reduce the oil going to the hook assembly, they do have a screw on this 8700, and then it's going to be similar to the Tacsew T111-155 or the typical GC6-7D. They're going to have a screw just like this one. So sorry about the little shakiness here. I'm going to try and really zoom in on this. If you could see right here, there's a plus, and then right here there's a minus. It's very hard to see in the video. It's a little grainy because I'm zoomed in, but as you can see there's a little arrow here too. So if we turn toward the plus, we're going to add more oil going to the hook. If we turn going toward the minus, we're going to reduce the oil going to the hook. So if we look at it properly, we're looking at counterclockwise to reduce the oil, turning that screw, and then clockwise to increase the oil going to the hook assembly. Hopefully I said that right. So reduce would be turning it counterclockwise, and to add more oil going toward the hook assembly, we're going to go clockwise. So if I turn this, let me back out now and I'll show you. So if I turn this screw, like our customer's having a problem with too much oil to her hook, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce this. Okay, so I reduce it. We're going to get less oil going toward the hook assembly and hopefully solve her problem. There is like a splash test you could do. You could put like a piece of paper in here and see how much oil splashes in there, and then little by little reduce the screw, so turning the screw counterclockwise, and just reduce the amount of spray you're getting on the piece of paper. You don't want to eliminate it because then you're not going to get any oil to the hook and then it's going to lock up. So be very careful when you do this. Don't reduce it too much because you could have another problem. But basically, if you want to reduce it, remember what I said, we've got counterclockwise turn on this, and if we want to have more oil going toward the hook, we're going to turn it clockwise. Okay? Hopefully that wasn't confusing. If you have any questions about this video, message us on YouTube here, or you could shoot us an email, info@SewingGold.com. Thank you.